Hello, welcome to this video. If you're using Microsoft Teams and want to switch your camera, you're in the right place. Whether your webcam isn't working or you've added a new one, I'll guide you through the steps to change your camera in the Microsoft Teams desktop app quickly and easily. Open the Microsoft Teams desktop app on your computer and sign in. In the top right corner of the window, click on the three dots next to your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the left side of the Settings menu, click on the Devices tab. Under the Camera section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to view all connected cameras. Select the camera you want to use. You should immediately see a preview of the selected camera just below. Close the settings window. Your new camera is now active and will be used in your upcoming meetings. And that's how you change your camera in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.